This is an ocean-going cruise ship, one of the largest and most complex manufactured structures in the world.
Before construction begins, the cruise ship exists as a fully detailed digital design.
Naval architects and engineers design every detail using advanced computer software.
Three-dimensional modeling allows engineers to visualize the entire ship before construction.
We've designated these areas for the lifeboats.
And the evacuation routes are clearly marked here through the fire zones.
Computer simulations test stability in extreme sea conditions.
Stability test approved. With the design complete, construction of the cruise ship begins. Construction begins in a specialized shipyard equipped to handle massive steel structures. A steel cutting ceremony traditionally marks the official start of construction.
Precision alignment ensures each steel section meets strict engineering tolerances.
Automated cutting machines shape the steel with extreme accuracy.
Each steel piece is labeled to ensure correct placement during block assembly. Steel panels approved. Transport to block assembly.
Steel sections are transported to block construction areas. Construction progresses using modular steel blocks. Welding transforms flat steel panels into massive structural blocks. The first structural block of the ocean-going cruise ship is complete. Once structural blocks are complete, interior systems are installed inside each module.
Pipes for water, fuel, and safety systems are installed inside each block.
Cabin walls are pre-installed inside each modular block.
Ceiling frameworks support lighting, ventilation, and safety systems.
Ventilation systems ensure airflow throughout the ship. Plumbing systems are completed before interior walls are closed.
Each block is inspected to ensure systems meet strict standards.
The finished block is now ready to be assembled into the ship. Assembly begins by positioning the first hull block in the dry dock. Laser alignment ensures perfect positioning before welding. Additional blocks are brought in and aligned one by one.
Blocks are welded together to form the ship's hull. The hull grows rapidly as more blocks are added.
Upper deck sections are installed above the hull. Precision placement ensures structural integrity. the cruise ship's towering superstructure takes shape. The ship's bridge section is prepared for installation. The bridge is lifted into position above the decks.
Hold it just a little to the left. Okay, easy now. It's in. Send it down.
Reinforced glass windows are installed for visibility and safety. Safety railings are secured across all decks. Special marine coatings protect the hull from corrosion. The cruise ship receives its official identity. With the hull complete, preparation begins inside the engine room.
Easy now, easy. Bring her in another 2 meters and hold.
Perfect alignment ensures efficient propulsion. The propeller converts engine power into forward motion.
Check the safety override on Sector 4.
Reading green now, sir. All parameters nominal.
Good. Log the results. We are go for launch.
With systems in place, interior construction begins. Lightweight panels create the cabin walls.
Okay, easy now. Keep it aligned with the mark.
Got it. Rolling it out now. Make sure that edge is sealed.
Ventilation systems regulate air throughout the ship. Efficient LED lighting is installed in every cabin.
Cabin electrical systems are tested.
Cabins are furnished for passenger comfort. Bathrooms arrive as complete modular units. Each cabin undergoes a final quality inspection. Construction now moves into the ship's public spaces. Commercial kitchens are installed to serve thousands of passengers. Interior finishes transform steel spaces into luxury environments.
A little to the left, hold it there. Okay, I'm drilling it in now. Looks good, tamam.
Stages are built for live performances at sea. Swimming pools are integrated directly into the ship's structure. Pool decks are finished for passenger safety and comfort.
The restaurant looks ready, but the theater exit lighting needs adjustment.
And the anti-slip tiles here by the pool seem worn. I'll make a note.
The dry dock is sealed for flooding. Water fills the dock, lifting the ship for the first time. The cruise ship floats under its own buoyancy.
Waterline markings are visible and accurate. We are clear to proceed.
Noted, Inspector.
Tugboats prepare to guide the ship from the dock.
The ship leaves the dry dock for the first time.
Final installations continue at the fitting-out pier. Final equipment is loaded on board.
Crew training prepares the ship for sea trials.
The cruise ship is prepared for its first journey at sea. The vessel departs for sea trials.
Engine performance is tested under operational conditions.
Maximum speed capabilities are measured.
Right standard rudder, steady on course 270.
Rudder is right standard, steadying on 270.
Stability is verified under varying conditions.
Release the brakes and begin lowering the boat.
Brakes released, lowering now.
Stop the descent at the halfway point, secure the system.
Roger that, securing the system.
Navigation systems are verified for accuracy.
All parameters are within the acceptable range. The sea trials are successful.
Sign it off.
With successful trials complete, the ship returns ready for delivery. After successful sea trials, the cruise ship arrives for delivery.
The ship is secured and systems are safely shut down.
The readings are inconsistent with the specification right here.
Noted. The last coat looks thin near the waterline.
The cabin safety checks are complete and compliant.
Restaurant and public spaces also meet all requirements. We can authorize the certification.
I believe that concludes everything. Yes, a great day for both our companies. We look forward to the delivery.
The ship is officially commissioned.
Good morning, team. The Magellan is ready.
Let's welcome our first guests for the season.
Passenger spaces are fully prepared.
Everything is aligned.
Perfect.
Good morning, welcome aboard.
From steel to sea, a modern cruise ship is ready to sail.
A finished cruise ship awaits its maiden voyage.
Every exterior detail meets strict maritime standards. Comfort and design define the onboard experience. Advanced systems ensure safety and efficiency. Environmental systems reduce impact at sea. A trained crew brings the ship to life. A unique identity marks the ship's presence.
Slack away the forward spring.
Bridge, tug 1 is clear and standing by.
Understood. Finished with engines.
A new journey begins.
Navigation systems guide the ship safely.
The cruise ship begins regular service operations.
Engines operate efficiently at cruising speed.
Look at that view. It's absolutely stunning. The water is so blue.
Hospitality teams deliver onboard experiences.
Entertainment spaces operate seamlessly.
Safety remains a top priority. Environmental systems operate continuously. Day and night, operations continue.
Thousands of systems work together at sea,